So first open any browser. So I am using the Kiwi browser. Go to the factmail.net. Copy this temporary email address. Open the text now app. Sign up here.
Password here.
So enter any Canada code here. Now don't use the US code like 306 or 902. These are the Canada codes. So I am using 306. Choose any number from here. So as you can see that this is my number 306-993-5025. So put this number in your WhatsApp app. So 306-993-5025. Click on the call me and you will get a voicemail with the code. So the voicemail is coming here.
Here.
So a voicemail has come here. Now open the voicemail and it will have a code.
Your verification code is 6003883.
As you can see that my code has been verified and the WhatsApp has been created. So tap the name here and choose any random category here. As you can see that the WhatsApp has been made with this number and this is the number 306-993-5025. Choose any profile picture and as you can see that the WhatsApp is ready. चिल्लाओ
Woo!
फाइट